everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple single crochet border. So this is actually the first video in my border series, so make sure to check back next week for the following border I'm going to show you how to make. So in this tutorial you're going to learn how to start your border, so how to add a new color yarn, how to work your border in the corner, as well as how to finish your border. So I go over all the steps, and so some of the things that you're going to need to make this border is you're just going to need either a practice swatch like I have right here, or your current whip, or maybe you have a project that just needs a border. And so I made my practice swatch using the Suzette stitch with a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I used We Crochet Dishes yarn in the color Inlet and Swan. Some of the other materials you might need is just a pair of scissors to cut your yarn and a stitch marker, because you might find it helpful to place it in every corner when making your border. All right, let's get into our tutorial. All right, so our first step in adding a single crochet border is to add our next color. Now, if you're using the same color, you can skip this step. But if you are adding a second color, go ahead and watch this next step. So take your crochet hook, you're going to insert it into the last stitch on the right side. You're going to drape over the yarn onto your crochet hook and then pull through. And then you carefully want to chain one with your working yarn. Okay, and then you want to carefully pull the tail end just a little bit to secure it. And that's it. That's how you add your yarn to make a border. Okay. So now with a single crochet border, it's very simple because we're just going to be making single crochets. So in that same stitch where you added your yarn, that's where you're making a single crochet. So go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over one more time and pull through. And there you go. You've just made your first single crochet. Now you want to place a single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Okay, in my case, I'm just making a simple single crochet border washcloth. So I'm going to work it till this end right here. Okay, so I've just about finished with my first row. So my first side of my border around my washcloth. And so now I'm at a corner. Now for every corner on your project, you want to make 2 single crochets. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now, if you find that after working your side single crochets that it starts to pull or round, you can always make an extra single crochet, or you can do a single crochet, chain, single crochet. So you just kind of have to see what works best for you. All right, so let's go ahead and flip our work a little bit to the side. And when it comes to the side, you want to make 1 single crochet per row. Okay, so I'm going to make my first single crochet here, and then make my second one, and I'll work a few just so that you can see it. Okay, so I've just worked a few, and as you can see, my corner is nice and neat, and it just looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue working my single crochets around my washcloth, and then I will meet you right here towards the end where we're going to need to slip stitch. All right, so I have just finished working single crochets all along my crocheted washcloth, and so I am just about finished. And so what I want to do is, and I wanted to note this as well, is I want to make 1 more single crochet in the corner, because I went ahead and already made a single crochet when I first started. Okay, so I'm making 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to slip stitch to the following stitch. So that would be that single crochet. You can also slip stitch it to the chain if you prefer, but there we go. All right, and so now all we have to do is just cut this yarn and finish off our work. All right, so I just went ahead and cut my working yarn, and then I'm just going to yarn over and pull through. And there you go. Now you have a completed single crochet border. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make a single crochet border. Don't forget, if you need some extra help or if you would like to see some photos, there is a full blog post written on this tutorial. So the link for that will be in the description box below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye!